Alright guys, so if you're an idiot like me, when you're doing your oil change, I put my phone down on the car and I lost it in the fender. So I was thinking I have to take the fender off to get it, but looking a little bit closely, we're gonna have to take the wheel well off, or at least part of it, so we can probably, it should fall right through. But again, stuff like this happens, tools get in there. I thought I'd do a quick short video. I'll show you guys where it is and how we're gonna get it out. Alright, hopefully you guys can see. But she's in there good. I don't know if you guys can. Take my word for it. Oh, you might be able to see there. I really gotta get a new light. Oh, you can see the tip of it right there? See? Right there. You see my phone. Anyways, let's go take a look at the wheel well. See if we can get some of that stuff off. I'm using this guy right here. Just gonna go around, pop all these little plugs out. Clips. And we're probably gonna break a few. Fortunately, that's just how it's gonna be. There we go, it started. There's one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. There it comes. There we go. Phone on, light on, everything. I was using it to look at something, put it to the side, and it fell right through. But if you happen to lose a tool or your cell phone in the Mazda 3 Fender, probably most cars actually, to tell you the truth, just take out the wheel liner or start undoing it. You don't have to take it fully out, like you can see here. I only had to take out a little bit so it could pop through. But if this was helpful in any way possible, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, leave a comment down below and never stop learning.